Me and my friends heard about this haunted warehouse in the forest. We had heard rumors of creepy noises coming from the lower levels. We found a ladder and decided to see where the noises were coming from. We kept going further down into the building. It was getting very cold. Then we turned a corner and saw this. Then again. We were all very scared but kept going. Then we found a dark hole. So we dropped something inside and there was water. We decided to put the ladder into the water and I slowly climbed down. I wonder what I will find.